This is a sliding glitch. Okay, Nah, this is not the sliding glitch, it's just... I just have to do this cannon glitch to get there. I just have to do this glitch to get there. So yeah. Okay. Now it might take me a few tries. There we go. Okay, I think it took me like, so I gotta go for the cannon. Not cannon. Sorry about the quality jacks. I have to jacked up qualities on my iPod Touch. Okay. Gotta do this. This might work. I don't know. I'll try to see. Now, I don't know how long this will take. Oh, come on, stupid Mario. I hate Mario, actually. So I'm glad in 53 years, Gary's Mod Film, Yoshi killed him. Oh, wow, on my first try. That's awesome. I'm using my old DSi for a stand. So, that's why it's kind of like little jacked up camera angles. No ground pounds. Okay. Okay now. Line up here. But right. Maybe right there. No! Oh, you stupid Mario. I'm gonna tear that nose off his face if I can ever get to the Mushroom Kingdom. Okay. This is because I'm having bad times on camera. And another one of my first tries. That's awesome. I only have 86 stars, so that's why I'm using the glitch one. So yeah. And get these mushrooms. Yeah, come here when I'm mushrooms. Yeah, baby. Now one of mushrooms. Okay, I bet. This goes. Okay. I stuck on top there. I'm doing big coincidence days. Okay. I can even get them. No! Oh, stupid Mario just made me lose quality. You just made me get bad quality and then mess up the camera angle. You suck, Mario. I hate you very much. I'll never say sorry, I tell you. I'm gonna come and get my revenge. Actually, another one of my first tries. Really? I'm getting pretty good at that glitch. Wow, shoot. Oh, crap. Whee! My friend Rachel, she's bringing her Bowser tomorrow. I can't wait. Oh, you suck, Mario. swim faster. Yeah. Okay now. Okay, that was not... I got, like, first try 3 times in a row. That's kind of like a little world record. Well, not a world record. On my second try. Okay, then. It's been 5 minutes already. I really gotta get this. Oh, crap. Oh. I thought I was gonna hit the castle. That would be bad news. If Mario told me. Except Mario doesn't exist anymore, because he's just like, he's like a tail. Wish he'd get a rest and get... Oh! Well, that was one of the glitches I want to show you. At least I got back onto the castle, which I was lucky. It's like I got something there. Okay. No, I slided wrong. Oh, I'm just gonna kill myself. Because I just wanted to show you that. That's the glitch I wanted to show you. So I'm out of health. I'm almost out of health. Yay, you die, Mario. And you're dead. You're dead. Ooh.
Mamma mia!
That was teleporting glitch. See you later. See you later, guys.